time when the political violence is at the peak, ahead of phase 4 of the elections in Bengal, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has targeted the forces and given a call to gherao the CRPF. Why should forces be made political targets in a political battle? Here is the face-off in Bengal, and then we debate.
नहीं ठीक है आप ठीक कर रहे हैं कोई बुद्धि तो होगा
থানাতে ঢুকতে হবে
थानाते ढुकবে
থানাতে দিলীপ বাবু গাড়ি কই
চলতে থাক
দিলীপ বাবু
চলতে থাক
দিলীপ বাবু
দিলীপ সামনে চলে গেছে
একদম সামনে
হ্যাঁ
থানাতে
রেডি
থানাতে পুলিশ ওখান থেকে সরে এসেছে
পুলিশ আসেনি
হ্যাঁ
থানা কোনো ভয় নেই চলেন
থানা
তাহলে ফোন লাগান ওতে পিছনে গাড়ি ফোন লাগান
3 days before phase 4 of elections and a day after Prime Minister's campaign, Bengal BJP chief Dilip Ghosh's convoy was attacked with stones and sticks.
চলো বাইরে যাও
থানাতে ঢুকতেছে কি
বেরিয়ে যাও থানাতে না বেরিয়ে একদম বেরিয়ে একদম বেরিয়ে
Even the shops on the roadside weren't spared. And some BJP workers also suffered injuries.
सैकड़ों लोग आके चारों तरफ से घेर लिए, बम से, लाठी से, ईंटा से मारने लगे। मेरी गाड़ी टूटी, मेरे को चोट लगा और कई गाड़ियों को तोड़ दिया गया। लाठी डंडा से, ये जो लोहे का रॉड है इससे तोड़ा गया और पत्थर से मेरी ग्लास टूटी और मेरे को चोट लगा।
As violence and security of politicians remain a prime concern in poll-bound Bengal, Mamata Banerjee is targeting the CRPF that is guarding voters to exercise their franchise.
My request would be to them, please see nobody is murdered. Please see that CRPF should not harass the people. CRPF, CSF, CPF or your BSF or ITBT. No people should be allowed to beat the people, to kill the people or to harass the people or to harass my women, the girl child. আর CRPF যদি গন্ডগোল করে আমি আপনাদের মেয়েদের বলে দিচ্ছি আপনারা ওদের ঘেরাও করে রাখবেন একদল আর একদল ভোট দিতে যাবেন একদল ঘেরাও করবেন একদল ভোট দিতে যাবেন একদল ঘেরাও করবেন একদল ভোট দিতে যাবেন ভোট নষ্ট করবেন না আপনি যদি শুধু ঘেরাও করে রাখেন তাহলে ভাববে ভালোই তো ভোটটা তো পড়লো না ওর এটাই কিন্তু চাল এটাই বিজেপির চাল আর আপনার চাল হচ্ছে আপনি যেমন গ্রামে আপনাকে ভয় দেখালে আপনি ভয় পাবেন না
A comment that the BJP has vowed to raise with Election Commission.
आज ममता जी ने ये दुस्साहस किया बोलने का कि सीआरपीएफ को घेरा जाए ममता जी की गुंडागर्दी ने एक नया मोड़ लिया है लेकिन अब जनता ने बंगाल की ठान लिया है कि ममता बनर्जी की गुंडागर्दी अब समाप्त होगी
At a time when the situation in Bengal is volatile, should netas target forces for political mileage and attempt to flare up the situation? Let's debate.
Very disturbing indeed. The Bengal BJP president, Riju Datta, the Bengal BJP president attacked with bombs and stones. This is the footage. It's there on record. The whole attack has been captured on camera. What are you trying to do? An attack, a physical attack with bombs, stones and iron rods on the Bengal BJP president? Dilip Ghosh? Riju and Nikhil Prasoon of the West Bengal BJP will open the debate. What is this?
The answer to your question, Arnab, is that, where this incident took place, it is the same place. Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hello?
Yes,
Hello?
we can all
Hello?
hear you.
Hello?
We can all hear you. Loud and clear.
Don't try to find an alibi.
Try and
like your
connect you back.
Party chief.
No, 1 minute. I think he's actually lost the
Don't
connection.
try to find an alibi
He's shaking
like
his
your
head,
party chief.
not hearing. Shubhankar? 1 minute, he's back. No,
Arnab,
I
can
don't
you
think
hear
he's
me?
finding an alibi. I think we actually lost the
Arnab,
connection
can
in
you-
between.
Arnab, can
We
you
can
hear
hear
me?
you. Nikhil says
Arnab,
you're trying to
can
find
you
an
hear me?
alibi. Yes. Why was Dilip Ghosh attacked?
No.
Yeah, why was Dilip Ghosh attacked?
See, I'll tell you, Arnab. Yes, I'll give the answer. See, the place where this incident happened, it is barely a kilometer or a couple of kilometers away from where Mamta Banerjee did her campaign couple of hours back. And you know, people who attended Mamta Banerjee's Jan Sabha were coming from that area, the TMC supporters. And Dilip Ghosh, in his own admission, said there were slogans given from TMC, there were counter slogans given from BJP. And in such a volatile political election where people are so strung up, if you incite violence by going into somebody's territory, you are provoking people for the inevitable. And I believe
But
the
this
entire
is
safety
justification
security of the
of the
president
violence.
of
Oh,
BJP
1 minute. What do you mean
But
somebody's
it lies on the
territory?
Election Commission.
What did you mean somebody's territory? 1 minute. I want to focus on the play of words. A minute, please, Dilip. 1 minute. Riju and Dilip, please stop. Please stop. I will now observe.
I mean, this is
I will now observe. I have a few observations to make. The word used, Dilip, 1 minute, please, Nikhil, please. The word used by the Trinamool spokesperson is, if in a volatile political situation, you provoke someone by going into their territory. What do you mean, their territory? Have you marked out territories like
Can
that?
I give an answer, or you let me know when I can answer?
What do you mean, my
You let me know when
territory?
I
So
can
this is Trinamool territory. Don't come in, otherwise we'll kill you. No, I'm asking you. You have to answer my question.
It is your play of words, Arnab.
You are saying Dilip Ghosh went into Trinamool territory.
Can I?
No, you said Dilip Ghosh went into Trinamool territory. I don't play with words, I utilize them to express myself. You said Dilip Ghosh
Can I-
provoked the
Can I
Trinamool by
answer,
going
Arnab?
into
Let
the
me know.
Trinamool territory. Now don't try to change your words. No. The question is, did you or did you not say
No, I will not. Can I answer now?
that Dilip Ghosh provoked the Trinamool workers by going
Yes,
into their
and can you
territory?
allow me to
Therefore, you
explain
admit
or-
it was an attack by the Trinamool Congress.
No, can you?
Yeah, but
can I answer
explanation
or,
based on an
you have
admission,
something else to
Riju.
say, Arnab?
admitted
An admission of your own statement. The admission cannot fall.
And I will
You have
use
to
the
admit
word
you said
territory
that.
Because
Confession.
my dear friend, no.
the national television.
Yes, I will say territory because these, what I meant by political territory
And you are trying to justify this.
My dear friend
I
Nikhil,
mean,
we
this
have
is
done multiple
sinister.
debates, you will also agree that when Shubhendu Adhikari is doing a sabha, and even when Shubhendu Adhikari or Narendra Modi ji is doing a sabha, if there is hundreds of Trinamool workers going to that road shouting Trinamool slogan, it is inviting violence, it is provoking violence. That because at that juncture, that is the territory
You
of a political party that is
condemn this
specifically
attack.
Oh my God.
by the election commission to do a
What
rally.
are you reducing politics to?
I urge you.
Nikhil is on the debate right now.
Condemn this attack.
This becomes
You have to
extremely
condemn it
controversial.
right
Nikhil
now.
is responding.
You have to condemn it now. Now you have to condemn it right now.
No,
This
we do not
attack is
condemn-
utterly
we do
condemnable.
not-
You have to condemn it.
See,
You have
we
to
do
flame
not
it
support violence.
with the utmost
We
derision that
condemn
it
violence.
deserves.
Nikhil, listen
Our
to me,
party
Baba.
chief has
We
been attacked
condemn
more than
violence.
2 dozen times.
See, we condemn.
No, why don't you condemn it, yeah?
Okay,
Riju,
okay,
why you
why are
condemn
you
it?
getting why are you getting
Yeah.
your khaki shots in a bunch here? Listen, we
No,
do
no,
not
no.
support violence.
Our
We
chief
condone
has been
violence.
attacked more
There
than
is
2
nothing
dozen
bigger than
times.
that.
What does
But
it
the
mean?
safety security of the
And you have
BJP chief
got
is
a
under the
parochial
purview of the
mindset.
election commission.
You know,
Why don't you submit like
try-
for every small thing when you are running to the election commission? Why don't you go and complain again? Let them do the needful. What is the point in shouting?
But
Again, I'm saying, we do not
Bengal
support violence, we completely condemn violence. Go
Why
to the
can't you
election
condemn this
commission
attack?
and complain.
At least condemn it.
Election commission is responsible for the security of the chief of BJP.
Riju,
I am condemning violence.
But
You're not
you
hearing
condemn
me
it.
clearly.
Do
Is
you-
it because
do
you are on
require the
Republic?
permission of the
You are
election
getting the
commission to
Republic
condemn
vibe.
this?
Are you nervous? Don't be nervous. Chill
No,
out.
no, no.
Don't get your khaki shots in a bunch. I am saying
Arey,
we
why
don't
don't you
condemn,
condemn it,
we
yaar?
don't support
Do you-
violence.
do you
The
require
security of the
yourself
BJP
the
chief
sanction of the
is by
election commission to
is under the
condemn
EC.
this? Now, you are beguiling the minorities.
Go
You
to
are
the
beguiling
election
the
commission. Is it
minorities
the
to vote
TMC's
for you on
responsibility
block?
to
This
protect
is one.
violence to
Now-
protect the BJP
Here,
chief?
Now you are
you being
flaying
childish
CRPF.
now?
This is the way your leader started flaying CRPF, the Bravehearts.
Do you know, Nikhil, one CRPF Jawan was caught in Tarakeshwar
who
trying
have
to
been
molest
there for
a
the
young girl?
nation,
There are
who have
ample video
sacrificed their
evidences
precious
that has been
lives
given to the
for the
EC by
service of the
TMC,
nation.
where
They have
CRPF
been
Jawans
flayed.
are
Now you have
forcing
to
people not
apologize
to
to
vote.
the
They are
nation.
telling people
You
go and
have
vote for BJP, otherwise
no.
don't come.
You know, when there was a
We
drill
respect our
by the
Jawans, but
side of
some of them are
Nawanda,
compromised.
what did
Agree
we
to
hear
it.
from the chief minister? That their army is on the verge of
Where
doing
is
a coup
Namanda
there.
and all this
So
coming?
she
Arey
is a
Baba, we respect
habitual
our
offender.
Jawans. We
She's
love
against
our Jawans,
CRPF,
but
she's
some of
against
them are compromised.
CRPF,
There
she's
are video
against
evidences
army.
that are submitted by TMC to the EC. Agree to it that some
No,
are
no, don't try
compromised
to be
and some are
selective
working
now.
on your,
It has
on your
not,
orders and on
it
your
has not
behalf.
been stated.
Agree to it. What
You
is
show
the
me the
problem?
statement of the chief minister where she has told that, well, a group of CRPF or
Viewers,
one or
on the
two
debate
individuals
tonight,
in
I also
CRPF.
want to say,
She has
well, I
criticized
think
CRPF, which is something
Riju, if I may say something right
should be
now,
taken back.
Riju, the appropriate thing for someone like you to do
She has taken the
would have been to say that I am horrified.
behaving in consonance
The
with
appropriate thing for you to
the
do
norms
would
of
be to say,
propriety.
Arnab,
I would ask you.
I am horrified
Her behavior
that some goons from the Trinamool Congress have attacked our political opponent and the leader of the Bharatiya Janata Party with bombs, stones and iron rods.
With the center, she
That would have been the appropriate thing to do.
continue on with the RPF protection.
You should have, you cannot say, why did you go where they were there, this is my territory, etc. Now that's not acceptable. Rami, you agree?
Premier Maoist leader.
Rami, you agree?
No, no, if you incite,
Yes,
if you
Arnab, this is the least that Riju could have done. To condemn is not, to condemn what has happened is the basic grace that we can expect from democracy and elections in this country. But let me say this. Let me say this. What we have seen happening in West Bengal elections is not unexpected. Everything seems to be fair game for the ruling party, whether it's the communal card, whether it's the minority card, whether it's the sub-nationalist flank. The basic tenets of the constitution have been disrespected time and again under this
BJP
Mamata
Gathbandhan to you,
Banerjee's
madam?
rule.
What is EC BJP Gathbandhan
No,
to
no.
you?
No,
All
I
fair?
think you're on the
You're
wrong debate
acting
though.
holier than
But
thou.
having said that,
Why do you
let
act
me just
holier
say
than
how
thou?
tragic
You
and
say that
dark is
every
it
election,
for this
every
country
national
to have
institution is
expected
compromised by the BJP.
violence.
Why don't you
For
admit
us
that?
to have expected
It would be
violence
an
in West
appropriate thing
Bengal.
to say that
It's
yes, we
been
also admit that
normalized
BJP
in our
has
imagination to
compromised all
such
state
an
machinery.
extent
Admit.
because of what we've come
Don't
to
get holier than
associate
thou. Don't try
with
to
the
patronize us.
TMC.
People
Where-
and
no,
viewers
I'm
of
sorry.
Republic
You
are
don't
not
need to get
fools.
personal
They
if
are
you
not
don't
out
have
of box.
facts and you
Don't
cannot
try
be
to
rational
patronize
about
us.
this, or you don't have the grace to play
No,
fair
I'm saying
politics.
don't
West
think people to
Bengal
be fools.
politics
People have been
under
fooled in
Mamata
2019.
Banerjee
People won't be
has
fooled
not
anymore.
left anything
seen
to
through your
imagination.
jumlas. We have
But
seen through your,
let me ask you,
fake
do you
promises.
think it's
We
fair
have
to
seen
bring in
through
the
all
paramilitary
your
forces
ploys of
in your
manipulating the
petty
state
politics?
machineries, and people have
That is
understood. You may
absolutely
be
a
man,
new
but
law.
madam, the viewers
I
of this
have
channel are
no
not.
idea why you would want to speak
Why
over me and not respond to what I am asking you. Having said that, this comes in the wake of the supreme sacrifice that has been made in Chhattisgarh. The simple fact is, the simple fact is that one state...
Riju, please, Riju, I request you. Riju, I request you.
Don't take the people of
Riju, let her
weren't you
complete.
the one? Riju, weren't you the one in another
Riju, I
debate
request-
who said that you do not believe in any of the constitutional structures of this country? That you do not believe in the EC, that you do not believe in, any of our constitutional operations? Were you
Ma'am,
not the
I
one
can
to
give
say
you
this in a
multiple
debate today?
examples,
Having said that,
authentic,
clearly what
factual
you're not
examples
clear,
which prove
clearly
that the
what
EC
you're
is
not
biased in West
clear
Bengal elections.
on
You
is
want
what
me
is
to give you
off,
that? I can give you
what
point
is
by point.
off
I can give you
politicking
point
in
by
this
point.
country,
Money
and what
coupons
is off, let me tell you, is
distributed
national
to
security,
people to attend
Riju.
Modi ji's
No
rally.
one can be allowed
Video
to cast
evidences of
aspersions
cash
on the political
distribution by BJP
neutrality
candidates.
of,
Video evidences
no
of
one can
CRPF
be
telling
allowed to
people not
cast
to go and vote
aspersions
for
Well,
on the
one thing
political
tonight is
neutrality
the-
of our forces.
EC
Riju, do you agree with
That's all right.
casting aspersions on
I can give
do you
you 10
agree with
different
casting
examples.
aspersions on our
You cannot talk to me
forces?
stats, ma'am. You cannot talk to me.
That, you know, the
I think
buck
it's
has
better
to
Arnav
stop
asking the
somewhere.
questions. I think you cannot
No, of course,
compare
because you
stats
have
with
no
me.
answers to what I'm asking you.
Yes,
I'm
the
asking
buck
you a
has to
simple
stop at
question.
11 Ashoka
Is our
Road.
national, is
They
our
should
national
understand
security up for
the democratic
politicking?
and the federal
Is
structure of
saying
this
that we must
country.
get out the CRPF
They-
fair
you know, the
game in
only
politics?
saffron surge-
You know what
the
it
only
tells us
saffron
is that
surge
you
visible in this
guys are
country is in
jittery.
Bhagwan Das Road,
And that
11
you
Ashoka
cannot
Road,
take
and some
a
media
loss
headquarters in
gracefully.
Noida and Latin's Delhi.
You know-
there is no other saffron surge in West Bengal.
All
or
right,
this
now
country.
there's
So
now
talk to me
now
stats,
both
ma'am.
of you must step back, and I want to bring in General Bakshi. I want to bring in General Bakshi and Shobir Bhaumik also into the debate. We have time tonight. So first of all, we'll spend our time. Just request you not to speak over each other. Now, a few days back, we saw the CRPF battling, making the supreme sacrifice in Chhattisgarh. And today, Subirda and General Bakshi, either of you can go first. Mamta Banerjee not only criticized the CRPF, who are in the line of fire. Mamta Banerjee should be grateful to the CRPF. Because it is because of the CRPF that we have still got an election where the violence is under some level of control. But she is instead telling her people, gherao CRPF personnel wherever you see them. Why? They've been deployed for security during the elections. If you're telling your people to gherao them, you're basically saying, make the security forces ineffective. Why? Because if the security forces are effective, then you won't be able to take over the polling booth. Subirda, I want you to come in on the debate with General Bakshi. This is desperation. She's saying my Mahila Morcha must go and surround the CRPF on voting day. Why? It's an absolute outrage.
Should I
You are asking for physical assault on security forces. You are calling for a physical and political assault on paramilitary forces.
Yeah. Will General Bakshi speak first? Sir, if you want to. Or should I go? Okay.
Okay, with your permission. With your permission.
Yeah, please,
Achha,
please.
You know, Arnab, in the 1960s and in the 1970s, our electoral process was started resembling an anarchy with violence and booth capturing, etc. on the rampage. Then we started, phasing out the electoral process and started large-scale use of central police organizations to ensure that the electoral process was conducted with due decorum, with due grace, and absolute, control on the law and order situation. The lady now wants to get us back to that era of anarchy. And what a time she has chosen to attack the Central Reserve Police Force. This force has just paid a heavy price in Chhattisgarh. 22 of their boys have been martyred. One is still in the Maoist captivity. They are still mourning their dead. And this is the time you choose to mount an attack on the CRPF as an institution, bad-mouthed, and threaten to gherao it and erode its credibility. Mount an all-out attack on the neutrality of the central police organizations. This is an invitation to disaster and anarchy. They are very fond in Bengal of using violence. And because the presence of the central police organizations the CRPF, the BSF, the ITBP is a major deterrent to violence on a large scale. Despite their presence, they are trying to do that. That is why this election was held in 8 phases, so that the scarce central police resources could be redeployed in a timely fashion to prevent large-scale violence and anarchy and chaos. This lady is trying to instigate just such violence, such chaos, make a mockery out of our electoral process, which the rest of the world comes to study in the peaceful, absolutely neutral way in which we do it. It is a stellar example of how to conduct election. And she is now trying to attack the very basis by demonizing the central police organizations, by demonizing the CRPF and the BSF, and by launching such virulent attacks, by trying to instigate the women to attack the police and the CRPF on a day when they have just, they have just suffered casualties.
Why?
This is unfair in the extreme.
Why would you do that?
And this is unacceptable.
Why would you do that? Why would you do that when on, especially when on 26th March, the Trinamool Congress themselves, Subirda, wrote to the Election Commission seeking additional central forces deployment ahead of the first phase of election in Bhaganpur, Khejuri, Agra, Ramnagar and Patashpur. What has changed now? Now you want the CRPF get out. On 26th March, you wanted them deployed. This is crazy.
This is a very clear attempt to create a narrative which Mamata Banerjee thinks can be sold to the electorate in Bengal. This is the classic sort of attempt to create. General, let me finish on this. This is an attempt to create a narrative of a Delhi versus Bengal kind of a fight, and that the central forces are carrying out Delhi's agenda. There's been a lot of sort of talk on these lines, and Mamata, this is not the first time she has said something like this, but she has been trying to build up this agenda that the central forces are here to carry out the center's agenda. They're chasing away our voters, they're chasing away minorities, they're doing this and they're doing that. Now, this actually, on ground, I'm not getting into what is happening on ground. What I'm trying to say is that this is a very clear political attempt to create a narrative which she thinks will get her political dividends in the remaining rounds of election. Having said that, let me take you back in history a bit. General Bakshi, I'm happy you brought up the 1960s. In 1972, the same kind of allegation against CRPF and central forces was brought by the leftists when Siddhartha Shankar Roy, was in charge of the Congress, and he won the election. The Congress swept the election after 3 years of absolute anarchy in Bengal, Naxalite, CPM, kind of a free-for-all. Siddhartha Shankar came to power. The left made this same kind of allegation when they said that the central forces have been used to rig and conduct the elections in a way that the Congress will sweep it. Mind you, there was some truth in what they said for the very simple reason even Jyoti Basu lost the election by 40,000 votes. So this kind of an allegation has been raised in Bengal before, and especially at a time when some political party which is anchored in Bengal is trying to fight a national political party and is trying to project it as a Delhi versus Bengal kind of a battle, because this, some here think, will give them political dividends on the lines that I've suggested. Now, I am talking of perceptions. I am not talking of ground realities here. Yeah, I'm not trying to judge the allegations, but I'm trying to give you a political analysis of why certain narratives sell and why certain political parties come up with certain narratives at a particular point of time. The general gave you a fairly good idea about the implications of such allegations.
It won't sell.
I'm giving you a political...
No, it won't sell, sir. It won't sell.
That's your perception.
Bengal does not want to be alienated from the rest of India. That's why it won't sell. I know the perception, but okay. So let me take...
No, Arnav, let me tell you something. Their politicians try to sell certain narratives because they think this will give them dividends. Whether they get dividends out of it or not, that only time will tell. Only the electoral results will tell. But I am giving you
I just want to ask.
analysis.
I just want to ask.
Why
I hear you,
people are saying
Subedar.
or doing
I
what they're
hear
doing.
you. I hear you. And I hear you. I hear you. I hear you. And look at Riju tonight. Riju feels, here I am. I've lost the debate before it started because logic, reason is not on my side tonight. But then he has got Anirban and Shubhankar and Namrata all there to back him up. And the question to them will be, let me take them back to 2011. In 2011, Mamta Banerjee said, please, I want the CRPF. I want more CRPF. Please bring the CRPF. The CRPF will save us. And in 2011, on her call, Shubhankar, Anirban, on her call, 41 permanently posted companies of the CRPF kept vigil during the elections in West Midnapur, Purulia and Bankura. Who praised the CRPF then? Mamta Banerjee. Because she thought she's on the winning side.
Both Mamta and the BJP together demanded additional deployment of security forces, central forces.
You see the situation.
Anirban. Yes, Anirban, come on the debate with Dipanjan. Dipanjan is on the debate with Anirban. Dipanjan Chakrabarti and Anirban are on the debate. Anirban, let me tell you, she said, I want the CRPF. Please bring the CRPF.
Of course, no institution is above the people. The CRPF, the army, the air force, the navy, everyone will be praised when they do things that is praiseworthy. That is the point. But when the CRPF in these elections are getting caught, getting involved in the elections in a way the BJP cadres vote, then of course there will be protests. What do you expect? The CRPF should do
They're letting people vote. You know, you're not being able to stop people from going to the polling booth. What are you talking about?
The CRPF is stopping the people from going to the booth. There are allegations.
You be careful of what you say.
There are allegations.
You be careful of what you say. Dipanjan, former commander of the NSG. 1 minute.
I am careful.
A former commander of the NSG, Dipanjan, is here tonight.
I am aware of the responsibilities.
Stop
of
abusing the
citizens.
CRPF.
But I must remind you,
Do not demean the central forces.
Gentleman, stop. Arnab, I have 2-3 questions, and I would like to request whoever my counterpart who is debating, please just allow me to speak. Number one, my question is very simple. I was observing whatever the Bengal election movement and whatever comment passed by Mamta Banerjee, etc. I have two very simple questions. Number one, why Election Commission is not implementing 124, the sedition charge against the caretaker chief minister? Because as per the law, the act, if anyone is passing any comment, instigative comment, which can be culminated into a mass violence, she or he should be put under sedition. Number one. Number two, IPC 186 clearly defines that anybody, if he or she will try to create hindrances in front of government officials to deliver their duty, to perform their duty, he or she should be booked under 186. Now my logic is a chief minister, an elected chief minister from a public forum, she is trying to instigate her supporters that gher out the CRPF guys. Who will take care if anything will happen tomorrow or day after tomorrow? Let me tell you one thing why I am concerned. Democracy is one part. I am concerned in the different thing. I am sure everybody will be able to remember a couple of weeks back, maybe a month or 2 months back, there was a major attack on Mr. JP Nadda's convoy. The thing is, that time also I told that it could be a mock drill. The way some goons attacked JP Nadda's convoy, it was really scary. that was a mock drill. Now, I mean, maybe I'm seeing that an atmosphere is creating day by day, which can be culminated into unleashing of violence against paramilitary forces, against opposition, against whoever will raise their voice. Now, my logic is very simple.
Absolutely.
2 days back, there was an incident where in the South Chব্বিশ Pargana, which is very sensitive, because everybody from intelligence to everybody is saying that South Chব্বিশ Pargana is one of the districts where intrusion was the maximum. And several guys, 200, 300 villagers, they had घेराव out the paramilitary forces. I was watching the television very minutely, and the way they घेराव out the paramilitary forces, it was very well organized. It's not a normal spontaneous reaction by people. So we are concerned the way the thing is going ahead. I mean, tomorrow or day after or 7 days, after 7 days, anything can happen. And I hope the CM, the caretaker CM or her party, they are not trying
Shubhankar, what he's saying,
create
Shubhankar,
an atmosphere where
Shubhankar, what he's saying is that the violence is being very carefully orchestrated. Shubhankar and Namrata, he's saying the violence is very,
yes, absolutely,
very professionally organized. That's what he's saying. Aren't you saying that?
I agree with the former commando saying. I totally agree with the former commando that when he says that it was completely orchestrated, of course it was orchestrated, and of course I'm horrified when even a lady is, Miss Mondal is attacked with iron rods and no such question is raised. It is not in a way that always the finger is put on the TMC. Why it is like that always it is pointed at the TMC, whereas the entire, if Mamta Banerjee kindly, just let me say one thing, just kindly quote the entire thing properly. Mamta Banerjee has said that if you are being stopped, if you are being attacked by, if the CRPF is actually working on behest of Home Minister, just trying to just somehow just sabotage the entire process of election.
He has said that the Mahila Morcha of the Trinamool Congress should घेराव out the CRPF on voting day.
And let me tell you,
don't misquote. He said, Namrata, yes, Namrata.
Democracy calls in for
Namrata.
He is right in saying that if our chief minister is doing any wrong, why EC is not taking any action? EC can take the action. He has the full authority to do that. And you should look after the context. In what context and what perspective our CM will saying all this stuff. See, any sort of violence is always condemned.
What context?
The perspective. In what context? Like she is saying, you have
what context?
Think over it.
What context? You tell me one thing, Namrata.
If you see the
Namrata,
yes, if you see the
Namrata, in 2011, when she thought she is winning, 1 minute, Chandra Bose is on the debate, Chandra Bose and Riju. No. In 2011, did Mamta Banerjee say, please, Namrata, we have memories, we have clear and distinct memories. I do not remember Chandra Bose in 2011. Did Mamta Banerjee say घेराव out the CRPF when all the polling booths in Bengal were manned by central forces? Did she say that? Security forces were escorting 50,000 polling personnel in 2011 to reach 12,131 polling centers. Did she say घेराव out the CRPF then? She did not.
No, she did not, because it was politically convenient for her to get the central forces in 2011. But today's shocking incident, we really condemn the attack on Mr. Dilip Ghosh, the party president of Bharatiya Janata Party Bengal. This can only, I can only say, let me finish. We can only suggest murder of democracy. Democracy has been murdered in West Bengal.
Oh my God. Okay, we have had one-liners now, Mr. Bose.
Of the political opposition.
Now, what I want to say is, why
CRPF
is being strategically used against Mamta Banerjee. Some of the CRPF jawans.
the CRPF to perform their duties. This is a very serious issue, which I am sure the Election Commission would take suitable steps. Just because someone is the caretaker chief minister, you cannot incite violence. Today, I think the Chief Minister is inciting violence in West Bengal.
That is the bottom line.
See, just because Bengal has a historically political
Riju, 1 minute. Let him finish and he'll speak. I can't hear you either.
That does not mean you continue this violence. Mr. Riju Datta, please have some patience. Let me finish, then you can make your point. See, today what is happening, the opposition has certain political rights. We can conduct our meetings, we can conduct our rallies, but we are not allowed. We are attacked. I think Mr. Dilip Ghosh has broken his, windshield at least about 70 times. What kind of nonsense is this? So I think let us have patience till the 2nd of May. Let us campaign. The people would take the final call. You see, by creating a violent atmosphere, you cannot win the election. Mamata Banerjee is making a grave mistake. You cannot win by encouraging violence, by inciting people, by asking people to get out the CRPF. You will lose the battle.
Wait a minute, Riju. Wait a minute, Riju. Wait a minute, Riju. Now listen, Riju. I have to come in with a question because I'm going to direct this debate in the right direction. And Riju, just be patient. However much trepidation flows in your heart tonight at the possibility of coming up with a blank against my incisive and direct questions, take heart, listen to the question and give it your best shot. Now listen to me, Riju. You're on the debate with Nikhil Prasoon. He's an aggressive spokesperson of the BJP. He's going to give it back to you. He gives it back as good as it gets. So you don't get nervous tonight, okay? Hold hard, stay strong. My question to you is this, and your time will start when I say so. 2016, Riju Datta. 2016, Riju Datta. 2016. There are elections in Bengal. BJP is in power at the center. 400 companies of central forces are made available only for phase 1. Mamta feels she is winning. She says, I'm so happy. I'm so happy there are so many CRPF personnel in Bengal. Or we assume it, she said that because she didn't complain. Now, when phase 2 happens, 700 companies of the Central Paramilitary Force are pressed into service. Mamta feels she's winning. She says, great, I'm happy. Phase 3 now, Riju. 75,000 Central Paramilitary personnel are deployed ahead of the 3rd phase. Mamta says, I'm happy. Did she say, Nikhil, gherao them, attack them? Did she say, Nikhil? তখন কিছু বলেছিলেন তিনি?
So I cannot answer now also. Okay.
No.
Can I answer to your questions?
Don't try to contort the truth. First of all, you denied to condemn the violence on our state chief on the national television. You declined to condemn the violence which has been perpetrated by the,
See, Arnav, I cannot go on with this debate, the narrative of Dilip Ghosh. If he is inciting violence, then, if you live by the sword, that statement. But I will tell you one thing, what
my question was
2016, BJP, the bottom line here is cadre base. Arnav, I am giving a direct answer to your question. Cadre base. 2016, BJP, no cadre base. 2019, huge polarization, communal divisive politics, 18 MPs. Now cadre base available, but because of COVID, 70,000 booths have gone up to 110,000. Each booth need at least 5 BJP
you admitted
to man a booth. They do not have
cadre base. You are admitting.
What will they do?
No.
Don't try to prevaricate.
So the cadre base to work.
Try to prevaricate.
It is cadre base. No cadre base. They do not have people. They have.
Is it a crime to have a cadre base?
Holiest institution in this country.
Do you not have a cadre base?
Alibi finding.
They have compromised the holy institution of this country. The army jawans into compromising them, working for them, their behalf. Listen, BJP
Be careful before I insinuate.
You are following the path of your leader.
To vote
there
for
is
BJP.
nothing wrong with that.
How can you? I want Dipanjan to come in. You know, now I have some. Riju now, Riju now, control yourself, Riju. Riju, Dipanjan is on the debate, and I request you not to try to color the CRPF politically just because it is a convenient alibi for you. Are you afraid you're losing?
See, whether we will lose or we will not, that will come out on 2nd of May. But again, I will categorically say this on your channel. CRPF Jawans are probably the holiest institutions in this country, but some of them, and we have made these allegations even before the election dates were announced, that some of them were used by the BJP, and we have submitted video evidences to the Election Commission where they are telling people outside the booth to go and vote for BJP, where they are telling people you cannot come and vote now. There are video evidences that are submitted to the EC. Why? Why is that one CRPF Jawan in the district of Tarakeshwar
on the debate right now?
Why did that happen?
Mr. Riju, I think you are crossing your limit.
Dipanjan!
Please, your leader, your chief minister is advising people to face the CRPF with so-called Jhata, Khanti, etc., etc. She is advising people that I have already registered 1,000 cases. Whenever there will be something, please register a case against commandant. What is she up to? She want to hand over the law and order situation to the Huji guys who has intruded in last 10-12 years? Or she is looking for an escape route. So this type of she will
Mr. Dipanjan, I have utmost respect for you.
Major will happen,
I have two questions.
Government will impose. Government will be compelled to impose. You please allow me to talk. You please allow me to talk.
Can I ask you two questions?
No. My question, I am least bothered. I am least bothered. Whoever will win or not. No. You are attacking paramilitary forces.
Strong debate tonight between Riju Dutta, TMC spokesperson, and Dipanjan right now. And you're watching it live. It's 10:44. We have 10 more minutes on the debate.
I can name 100 of leaders. So please maintain the sanctity of paramilitary forces.
Okay, now Dipanjan, hold yourself back also.
Forget the politics. As a patriot, can I ask you two questions? I'll ask you two questions, Dipanjan ji, as a patriot.
Sure.
It is one thing to
ask GD Bakshi and he'll take the question. GD Bakshi is taking the question. GD Bakshi on the left right now. Dipanjan, hold on 1 second. GD sir.
Okay.
Sir, 1 minute. Riju, now you articulate your question. You repeat your question now. And though I want a response from General Bakshi to what you're saying, I feel you will redeem yourself by apologizing for this needless attack and brazen attempt to politically color the central paramilitary forces. But make your point.
Okay. I'll ask two questions to General Bakshi. First of all, utmost amount of respect, sir, for your service. Now, my first question is, there is one thing to love our own country, and there is another thing to be vehemently critic of the government that is running the country. If I am against the government that is running the country, it does not necessarily mean that I do not love my country. So first of all, stop branding us anti-nationals when we are against the government. We are not against our country, we are against the government. And second, we have utmost respect for our paramilitary forces. Even when few days ago 22 Jawans made the supreme sacrifice of laying their life for the in the line of duty. My simple and humble question is, there are people who are responsible for the protection and the life of these Jawans. Where was the CM of Chhattisgarh? Where was the Home Minister? They were throwing petals on the road. Was it not necessary to invest the 3,000 crores spent on statues to give bulletproof vests to a Jawan? The statues that have been built with thousands of crores give bulletproof trucks to our jawans so that when they go out on a casual jog, they are not slaughtered like this at the hand of Maoists. Can General Bakshi
Don't change the subject, please.
We do not like the
General Bakshi will give you a fitting reply. You're short of time, General Bakshi.
Thank you.
Look, first of all, please go ahead and attack the government if you feel it is going wrong in any way. We are not talking of the government today, sir. We are talking of its paramilitary forces who are supposed to be neutral, who have conducted election after election in a very fair, free and impartial manner. These are the forces which have just taken heavy casualties. To choose such a psychological movement, to besmirch their fair name, to attack them, to accuse them of partisanship, to try and generate an atmosphere of anarchy, I think is most uncalled for. Is most uncalled for. Go ahead and criticize the government. Go ahead and change the government. I mean, that's what all elections are all about. But we are talking of the sanctity of the central forces, the central police organizations, the CRPF, the BSF, the ITBP. Those boys, they fight on the borders, they fight in Chhattisgarh. In addition to that, they have to do these duties of elections. They are on the
Anirban also on the debate tonight, please.
You know what the CRPF boys call themselves? Chalte raho pyare.
Yes.
Poor boys, they are on the move.
Keep the CRPF out of your
fight.
fight.
All that they get for all the work that they do is to be abused like this, is to be belittled, is to be demonized.
Talking on the allegations against the CRPF, is he saying that each and every force in this country is above the people?
Is there an election commission in this country?
Are you telling me this?
Have you gone? You don't have to come
no
to GD
people within the
Bakshi.
CRPF
Please go to the election
who have done
commission.
no wrong in this country ever.
Please go
Are
to
they above
the
people?
election
Can
commission.
they block the people?
They will do their job.
Are you showing edginess?
They are doing a very
Chandra Bose, as the debate heats up,
that you guys are
as the debate heats up, is the Trinamool looking edgy? Is the Trinamool looking on the edge? Riju, perception. The perception is you're too much on the edge.
Certainly the Bharatiya Janata Party has got the support, spontaneous support of the people. They are getting the support of the people, and that is what fears Mamata Banerjee and the Trinamool Congress. It is a pure psychosis that has gripped the Trinamool Congress and Mamata Banerjee. And that is why he is taking all these...
Riju's on the debate right now. Riju and Chandra Bose.
A lot of other opposition leaders. So it is unfortunate that Mamata Banerjee, being a mass leader, has accepted defeat.
Arnab, I can hear you amidst the cacophony. Please
Riju, my question to you, one, I urge all the women of the state to come out with their hata and khunti and confront these people. Now she says, talking of CRPF, gherao them. But the most absurd of the comments was when she says, when you go to the polling booth, switch the machine on and off. Nikhil, did she say that? Switch off the machine, switch on the machine, switch off the machine, switch on the machine. Who knows what BJP will put in votes there?
Never.
I mean, are you... What do you mean never? What do you mean never? She said that. She said that.
So you are saying about
what do you mean never?
2016 election.
See, EVM stands for
Wait
every
in the shade,
vote for
cast
Modi.
your vote.
You know, our fate is decided by the people. BJP's fate is decided by EVM. That's the...
Oh, you are blaming EVM. Oh, God. Now you are blaming EVMs. Now you are blaming EVMs. Before, there have only been 3 rounds of voting.
EVM could be hacked. Now
you are already blaming EVMs.
The election commission can also be hacked. has there not been
Okay, so the
instances in
election
different
commission will be
districts,
hacked.
especially
You also
Kaki,
said with
Bhutto,
one leg, I will hit such a
especially
shot
Potash Pukur,
that the
where
BJP
couple of
will be
areas
bowled
where
out.
you pressed
Contradistinction
Trinamool, it was
with the
going to
norms of
BJP.
constitution. The head of the state is
I thought
asking
in
the people
Uluberia,
on religious
I
grounds.
thought in Uluberia at a home of a BJP. No. I thought at Uluberia in the residence of a Trinamool worker, some EVM machines were found. The nation wants to know, is that true or not?
What?
Were EVM machines found in the home of a Trinamool worker in Uluberia?
Arnab, are you kidding? Are you comparing that to the EVM machine found in the back of a BJP's candidate's car in Assam? This was an idiot section officer pre-poll.
Comparing, I'm talking about Bengal. You don't want to talk about Bengal now. You don't want to talk about Bengal now.
Cannot take a
Arnab, this is...
What's going on?
Arnab, I want to talk about Bengal and I'll give you a straightforward answer. This is an idiot section officer who, before the polling started, because CRPF Jawans were sleeping in the school, he went to his relative's house and kept these EVMs which were replacement EVMs. Can you imagine what kind of a fool that fellow is? How is that for TMC to be blamed on?
And who was the idiot?
Who
was the idiot?
Replacement EVMs.
Since you're using this language, who was the idiot who kept EVMs in their house recently?
The section officer who admitted that because the CRPF was sleeping in the school, I took it to my relative's house. Can you imagine? How is it TMC's fault? कुछ भी करो TMC के ऊपर डाल दो.
Look, you are in a process of obfuscating.
This is wrong. We know there is a narrative.
You have a recording of the CRPF workers. Oh my God.
Obfuscation. And third is contortion.
Dipanjan back on the debate. This is crazy.
Based on which?
This is going crazy. You are saying the Trinamool worker took the EVMs home because he saw the CRPF people sleeping. And where's the recording of that absurdity? Dipanjan, this is going absolutely out of hand.
Arnab, I would like to
the Trinamool worker
this is the section
took it home because he was worried for the security of the EVMs.
Trinamool worker did not take it home. Please do not disturb. Please do not disturb. Trinamool worker did not take it home. The section officer took it to his relative's home who was supposedly a Trinamool worker, and this is the section's officer's statement to the election commission. Please don't disturb.
He is trying to divert the issue.
And why would a section officer take it to a Trinamool worker's home?
Ask him a question. Dhruv, I would like to ask him a question. Riju,
ask that
please
fellow.
answer me.
That is
One very simple question.
He does not work for
Riju,
TMC.
please don't divert the issue. Riju, please don't divert the issue. Riju, please don't divert the issue. Please ask me a simple question. You were talking about patriotism. I would like to ask you a question. 3 years back, one sub-inspector, 30 years old, a sub-inspector of Bengal police was killed in a fake encounter by Bimal Gurung. And with 3 years' time, your leadership makes this Bimal Gurung as an election partner. And there in the government is in a process to withdraw all cases against Bimal Gurung. Do you think people will respect your so-called respect on uniform, guys? You can't even protect your sub-inspector. He was killed by Bimal Gurung. And now Bimal Gurung is your election partner.
Dipanjan ji, am I talking to you?
Your police is protecting Bimal Gurung.
Okay, Dipanjan ji.
Yeah, sure.
Dipanjan ji, according to your statement, TMC is anti-national. Okay, now I'll ask you a question. No, I will focus on this.
No, I haven't said.
On this.
I haven't said.
It was a very sad incident and I completely agree to it. Now my question to you is when BJP partners... When BJP partners with PDP in Jammu and Kashmir, then they are
I am least bothered about political parties. Let me tell you one thing. Let me tell you one thing.
You cannot be least bothered about politics when you are constantly poking at TMC, sir.
You are talking about patriotism.
Then you be neutral.
You are talking about patriotism.
1 minute.
Respect to uniform. You are talking about patriotism. You are talking about respect to uniform. A killer of a sub-inspector when he was on duty.
So I gave you an example. I gave you an example.
You are withdrawing 86 cases.
BJP tying up with PDP in Jammu and Kashmir.
You tell me. You just
how many paramilitary forces have given their life in Kashmir?
You'll talk about Kashmir, you'll talk about Assam, but you won't talk about Bengal.
BJP tie up with PDP then?
I am asking Sub-Inspector Malik. I am
The
asking you
bottom
about
line
Sub-Inspector
is,
Malik.
you all have to corner TMC.
How can you?
It is
How
not
can
going
you
to
make?
work.
How can your leadership
I will
make
give
him
stats
a
and
political
figures.
alliance? No, no. How your leadership can make Bimal Gurung as a political your alliance, and your police department is protecting him, and your government is withdrawing 86 cases against a killer and who killed a sub-inspector when he was on duty, a 30-year-old guy, a young guy.
Do you know that?
And you
do you
Okay,
know
viewers,
Dipanjan
I have to
Giri-
close
Do
here.
you know Dipanjan
I have
Giri,
to close
the
here.
Chief
We-
Minister of UP has 16 cases, criminal cases.
I just
against
say,
him. Do you know that? He's the Chief Minister of a state.
No, no. Please. Please.
I just-
So do not- do not-
I think in the peak of this political season, it is extremely unfortunate that the CRPF is being targeted. I, for one, will just tell you, I think the CRPF is doing a brilliant job. We are proud of the CRPF. They're taking it on the chin. They're doing their duty. Hats off to the CRPF wherever, at the paramilitary, wherever they are deployed, in Maoist territory or on election duty in Bengal. We need to show a little more gratitude to them. Viewers, I'll see you tomorrow sharp at 9 with a big story once again and a big debate. Till then, good night and goodbye.